project is a device that transmits Morse code through vibrations as a part of research looking at how people can communicate without words. This research hopes to improve lives by finding new ways for people facing speech difficulties to communicate.
The main purpose of our prototype is to perform non-verbal communication.
So here we'll be showing a short demo. So Junyi will be the sender side and I'll be the receiver. Hey Junyi, did you enjoy Capstone experience this semester? So a message of yes was just sent via this vibration pattern.
So as you can see in the demonstration with Becker and Jacob, the team was able to create a reliable, nonverbal communication system. We did this to help people for a variety of reasons, including speech impairments or just any environment where verbal communication is not possible. Thank you.